Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Just going to talk today about the Galaxy Elite Edger. It's a traditional edger, similar in style to some of the more popular units that are out there. This unit is dual speed, and one of the unique things about it is belt driven. In other words, pinion gear drives a main pulley, cogged pulley that then drives the pad. So this is a 7-inch unit by 7/8 center hole. So you're going to use 7-inch by 7/8 paper for bolting onto this edger. There's your cable with the twist lock plug. I have our user manual and warranty instructions. We have our edger bag. The bottom has vinyl on it, keep it from wear and tear as this unit starts to drag on the floor. And we have the unit. So you can see, looks pretty traditional. What is essentially different about this edger, like I said before, this pad, 7-inch pad, is driven by a belt. So you have it's very smooth running, no hop whatsoever. Hardly ever need to dress this pad to take out any hop. Also quiet. In other words, it doesn't have that loud pinging sound that gear to gear would normally have. We have a nice bright light there, as opposed to the incandescent bulb that you would normally see on the front of an edger. We have our dust pipe here, and special clamp for our dust bag, so no need to tie it around the dust pipe. Again, that's a 7-inch pad. We do have a Velcro baffle here, and that's going to allow us to shift this a little bit and get great dust pickup, which it already has. Same concept as the sanders. You can look at the video on the Sirius and the Galaxy 2000 Plus and the Omega 8. The rear caster wheel is a dual wheel. And that concept is, as this is spinning, you have constant contact on the floor with the casters. The casters are fully adjustable. So you're going to loosen this cap nut and then back this off, and you can raise and lower the pitch from the front of the edger pad to the rear, whether you want more aggressive or less aggressive. That pitch is adjustable. So we have our on-off switch here, which is toggle switch, and then the toggle in the back is for high-low. So low speed, you would probably want to be on coarser grits, anything from say 12 to 60 grit edger paper. And then for the high speed, the higher RPM switch, you would run that typically on higher grits, 80, 100, 120. So you're not burnishing the wood. You get quicker wood removal, obviously, on the faster speed. We have our custom wrench. Obviously, that is for taking paper on and off. and it just snaps back in so you don't lose it. So for brushes, this is carbon brush, repulsion induction motor, and you loosen up these 2 screws here and slide this vent cap off. Same in the front. Then you can change out the brushes. So that's pretty much it. That's the Galaxy Elite Edger. It's a 7-inch edger, so you use 7 by 7/8 sandpaper with it. If you need any more information on the Galaxy Elite Edger, go to cityfloorsupply.com or give us a call at 800-737-1786.